How to add links to Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know you can now add different kind of links to Instagram story, and just by tapping on that link or the text you can get access to the link or the video? Yes. So first and foremost, make sure to copy the link that you want to post on story. As you can see, I have added a story. Here is a link with a sticker text. If you tap on it, it will give me an option to visit the link, and if you want to do it so, tap on the plus icon and select a background picture. Once you select the background picture, tap on the stickers icon which is on the top. Here you will see a link written option along with the paperclip option. Tap on it. Now paste the URL that you pasted or copied before. Then after, tap on customize sticker text. Write in the text that you want to display on your Instagram story. This is the text that you can tap in order to visit the link. Now click on done. Now to change the color, tap on the sticker text again. And then once that's done, tap on your story. Now that the story is posted, you can tap on the link and it will give direct access to visit the link you pasted. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any queries, do not hesitate to ask questions on comments.